Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Greetings, everyone. Welcome to this extensive Arabic language learning. Today, we're going to focus on the makharij al-huruf, the articulation points of the Arabic letters, from alif to ya, using al-qaida al-nuraniya that covers almost 99% of the tajweed rules of the Quran, which will help you read with the correct makharij or pronunciation. Having said that, Arabic language can indeed be one of the most challenging and intimidating languages to learn without the right courses and resources. It can be quite honestly difficult and boring. I've seen people start learning Arabic and 3 weeks down the road they give up. So, inshallah, you should find these classes beneficial and structured enough to achieve your objective. A program that will provide a complete path to learning the Arabic language, the language of the Quran, the language of Jannah, paradise. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant all of us paradise. Ameen. Besides being the language of paradise, the Arabic language is unique from the sounds that exists in no other language to the beautiful writing style. One good way to learn Arabic, matter of fact, the best way to learn Arabic is to start by studying the Arabic letters, especially if this kind of writing is unfamiliar to you. I cannot emphasize and stress enough on the importance of mastering the Arabic letters with makharijul huruf, or the articulation points of the letters, which the majority of the students ignore, and that's why they give up so early. With little practice, we should all be able to pronounce all these letters properly and from the correct articulation points. Just want to remind all of us again that the Arabic pronunciation is very essential. Otherwise, you'll make some unknown names if we don't pronounce the letters properly. We may even turn the meaning upside down, something that may sound very outlandish and terrible. So that's why we're here to learn. It's very important to learn the makharij, or the exit points, to produce the proper pronunciation, because speaking Arabic requires work. Your entire face, your mouth, your entire body, all of this work together to produce this magical sound of the Arabic language. And some encouragement for all of us to keep you on your toes and make you love this language. Learning Arabic opens doors to a rich and deeper spiritual understanding and countless blessings. In a nutshell, comprising of 28 letters, each with distinct shapes and sounds, the Arabic alphabet forms the cornerstone of the Arabic language, contributing to its linguistic beauty and coherence. Each letter holds profound meaning, showcased in verses throughout the Quran, exemplifying the eloquence and richness of the divine message. Notably, two verses from the Quran, Surah Ali Imran, chapter 3, verse 154, and Surah Al Fath, chapter 48, verse 29, encapsulate all 28 letters of the Arabic alphabet, serving as a remarkable demonstrations of the Quran's linguistic mastery and complexity. Next, you will learn the articulation points of the letter. In other words, the exit points, where all the letters would be pronounced from.